Winter is here, and today I'm putting Tesla's full self-driving and the new actual Smart Summon to the ultimate test. With snow-covered roads and icy parking lots, can the Tesla's tech handle it? Stick around and find out. It's going to be an adventure. The first thing we're going to do is have the Tesla summoned in front of this door. The Tesla is all the way over there and will have to figure out how to come to me through the snowy and icy parking lot. So all I need to do now is go into Tesla app, click on summon for Smart Summon to activate. It's going to give me a target, and I'm going to put the target just where I want the car to summon itself. You can also see that as soon as you hit summon, there's a 360-degree live feed of the car's surrounding. Now all you need to do is click and hold go to target, and the car is going to start moving and come towards you. It is reducing speed due to the poor weather conditions, but it still seems to be doing quite well. You can see on the top that the car is driving at 5 kilometers an hour and not too fast into this snowy parking lot. It is taking a right, and there the car is summoning itself in front of the store. It is driving extremely slow, being very cautious, which is great because there's lots of pedestrians around. And there it is. It summoned itself in front of the store, and all you need to do is let go of the button and the car will stop for you. Alright, now that we're in the car, we can turn off the hazards and let's navigate into a different location with FSD. Now keep in mind, I haven't moved the car, I just summoned it. Everything has been through FSD and the actual Smart Summon. All I'll do right now is wait for this pedestrian to move out, or I don't really have to wait for them. FSD will know when to go. And there you go. FSD has taken over. Keep in mind that everything in this parking lot is fully snow covered. It is giving me a warning though, saying that FSD might be degraded. So I'm just gonna wait for FSD to figure out what to do. The whole goal of this video would be to have 0 interventions. So I can see on the GPS that Tesla wants to take a right here. Whoa, okay. Looks like Tesla is being extremely cautious, and we have our first intervention here. Because the parking lot is extremely covered with snow and you can't see the curbs or anything, it just didn't want to run into a curb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it go into FSD again and see what it does. We got a right turn at the stop sign here. It did not fully stop for that stop sign. Hopefully it stops all the way for this stop sign and doesn't break the law again. Okay, we're on the road now, so it did stop for the stop sign. And it is accelerating out of this stop. Coming onto a right, slow down. Again, doing running stops. I don't know if this is a new feature by Tesla, because Tesla right now just shows FSD a bunch of videos of people driving and how they drive, and I think it is learning from people, so most people run stop signs, and it seems to be doing that. So we're on a red. It did stop all the way. Now it's looking for cross traffic, so I'm gonna expand this so you guys have a better view. this here as well. Not too bad. It took a right turn on a red light, slowing down way ahead of time. We do have a left turn here, but now it's amber, so we're gonna stop. Green again. Tesla recognizes that, establishes way, and takes the left turn flawlessly. Keep in mind there's absolutely no lane markings here. Alright, we got a left turn coming up. Indicated. We're gonna need to come to a full stop. It looks like Tesla is slowing down way ahead of time, which is very important when you're driving in these snowy conditions. And comes to a full stop. Alright, FSD is engaged. As you can see, the streets again are fully covered with snow. There's absolutely no lane lines or markings available. It looks like the Tesla is just following the car in front of us. As you can see, it is staying centered. It is, for some reason, it changed lanes. I guess it's going right, so it changed lanes. Visibility extremely low, but it's still staying centered. Alright, we got a right turn coming up. No lane lines, no nothing. I'm just gonna take over because that was really bad. Because it needed to take that right way before, so that it stays on the tracks. Taking a right turn when there's absolutely no roads visible. Tesla is having a hard time figuring it out. Does somewhat of a mediocre job on that right turn. Waits for this pedestrian. Alright, FSD came on pretty fast here. But it looks like we have good traction. I am running winter tires. Oh. It just braked so hard when it didn't need to. There wasn't any cross traffic, so I don't know why it did that. But those are times when you really need to take over and you can't really mess up on days like this. Gonna reduce the speed limit to 30. It looks like Tesla did recognize the speed limit was 30 and did reduce it. Alright, there's the end of school zone sign. And then we're gonna take a left here. We got a red light coming up. The Tesla is slowing down way in advance, which is very important. And slowly accelerates onto the stop. Alright, that is going to make our test even harder because FSD is going to think that we're not supposed to go on top of that snow, but it will. Well, okay. Not bad indeed. Looks like they are clearing out this road, so we do have some sort of visibility with the lane lines. Whoa, 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 whoa. I would have taken over, but there was no one behind me. But Tesla braked abruptly for absolutely no reason. Right, we got a merge coming up here, and it would need to go to the far left lane from this merge. Let's see how it does merging in. Thankfully we don't have anyone in this lane. Okay, slows down, indicates again, looks for an entry. Awesome, does it flawlessly. Another left lane change. Does it flawlessly again. Right, we got another left lane change coming up with a left turn. Awesome, doesn't really wait and merges in whenever it had space, slowing down way in advance, which is great. Again, this is very important when we're on a downhill. It is covered with snow. It is struggling with this green arrow for left turn, but it still does it. Perfect. Alright, for the bus, we can't see the lights, but it is still being cautious. It can see the green light. Was going to take this right turn, but it is slowing down for that pedestrian there. We're back to snow-covered parking lots. So what we're gonna try right now is we're gonna try auto park. See if that works. So we have a bunch of spots here. So let me just select this spot here and let it do the auto park. It's saying that the cameras are obstructed. Alright, there you go. It wants me to fasten seatbelt. What? Usually you can auto park without fastening the seatbelt, so I don't know what this is about. But it looks like it is going to work. So start. We're gonna let this car go. And let's see how auto park works when there's absolutely no lanes available. Right, the car's reversing into the spot. It is a pretty tight spot, so I don't blame the car for being cautious. And reverses itself really well into the spot. And pretty center too. It wasn't a bad parking job at all. So there you have it, Tesla's full self-driving and actual smart cement, and as a bonus, I did the auto park for you guys as well. And you can see that it can handle snow well, but still it has ways to go before it is perfected. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, comment down below and I'll stress test the hell out of FSD and actual smart cement in conditions like this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I loved making it. And as always, I'll link my Tesla referral code down in the description for you guys to get a cash discount when you buy your first Tesla.